friends, welcome back. I'm Ashley Morris, the owner and lead tutor at amtutors.com, where we specialize in one-on-one virtual math tutoring for middle school and high school math students. And in this video, we are going to graph using slope and intercept. So we have several ways to graph. And in one video, we drew an XY chart, found our order pairs, and connected the dots. If the y is already by itself, there's something cool. We have the slope and the y-intercept to help us graph. So we don't have to do an XY chart every time. The m is our slope, and the b is our y-intercept. The y-intercept is where it crosses the y-axis. So we are going to begin at b. We're going to find our slope. We're going to find our y-intercept, and we're going to use those to graph. No more charts. Forgive me if I zoom in and out a lot. It's hard to graph on a computer. So let's look at this first one, if it'll let me zoom. There we go. Okay, so we're going to graph using slope and y-intercept. First thing, y is by itself. Done. Y equals mx plus b. So for this one, our y-intercept is -1. We begin at b, begin at our y-intercept. Here's our x-axis, here's our y-axis. We're going to go down to 1 and put a dot on our y-axis. That's where this line will cross the y-axis. Then from there, we use our slope. Our slope is rise over run. So we're going to go rise 3, 2, 3, and run 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And these are positive, so they're both up and right. I think I counted right. 2 is the minimum. I like 3 dots. It helps in case you make a mistake. If your graph runs out and you don't have enough space, you can switch the signs. So this is a 3 and a 4. They're both positive. Make them both negative. Go down 3. 1, 2, 3, and left 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And it's the same thing. Get your straight edge. And in case you didn't already know this, if you don't have graph paper, you can go online and just search for free printable graph paper, and you'll get a whole bunch. Ta-da! There we go. And the reason I like more than 1 dot, let's pretend I counted wrong and put this one right there. The line will not go through that and the other points, so you know you made a mistake. It's very helpful in finding mistakes. Now what about this one? The y is not by itself, but we can get the y by itself. So let's do that first. Minus 4x, 6y equals -4x minus 24. Those are not like terms. You cannot combine them. Divide everything by 6. Y equals -2/3 x minus 4. Here is my slope. Here is my y-intercept, my m and my b. Begin at b, go down to 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. And then rise over run. Okay, this is a negative. I know it needs to go downhill. Make the 2 or the 3 negative, but not both. So I'm going to make the 2 negative. -2 over 3. Go down 2 and over 1, 2, 3 to the right. Or you can make the 3 a negative and go up 2 and over 3 to the left. -3 would be to the left. Get your straight edge. See how good of a job I can do. Hey, that's not terrible. Pretty proud of that one. All right. Slope and y-intercept. Begin at b. Okay, this one, b is not bad. b is that +3, so I'm going to go up to 3 and put a dot. What's my slope? There's no number in front of x. Yes, there is. It's an invisible 1. If you want to write it in there, go for it. There's my slope. So 1 over 1 is going to be our slope. 1 over 1 is 1, right? So up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1, up 1, right 1. You can also make them both a negative. It'll still be +1. Go down and left, down and left, down and left. And then get your straight edge and connect the dots. Oh, that was not a very good one. Let's see if I can squish it a little bit. There we go. That's better. Again, the more dots, the more accurate a line. Oh, don't forget Hohenn-Vernaux or Vernux, depending on your preferred method. If you don't remember that, check out our video. I have a video that is just horizontal and vertical lines over and over and over again. Okay? Now I want you to try these two. So pause and try. All right. Hopefully you try these on your own. I am going to get the y by itself on this one. Subtract 3x. Divide by -2. So that gives me y equals 3 over 2x minus 2. Begin at b. Go down to negative 2. Rise over run. 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. Rise 3, run 2. Or make them both negative. So you go down 1, 2, 3, 1, 2. And to the left. Get your straight edge. Cross your fingers that I get it on. Hey, that's not too bad. Ta-da. There we go. And then this last one. Ooh. There's a plus 0 right there for b. So this is going to go through your origin, and then your slope is 2 over 1. Up 2 over 1, up 2 over 1, or down 2, left 1, down 2, left 1. And connect your dots. I hope that was helpful. If you need more practice, make sure you find our worksheets. On YouTube, they're in the description, and on Facebook and Instagram, they're in the profile, in my profile. So you can download that and do some practice and check your answers. Make sure you like, subscribe, follow, ring the bell, all that fun stuff so that when we have more videos, you can watch them. I hope that was helpful. Have a great day. Bye.